Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is also known as Bapuji or Father of the Nation. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother's name was Putribai. And his wife's name was Kasturba Gandhi. Gandhi Jayanti is one of the great national holidays all over India. In October, it's also celebrated internationally as the International Day of Non-Violence. Gandhiji was a great lawyer and took his law degree from UK. He also started the great historic movements called the Satyagraha movement and Quit India movement.